Ustadh. Dhul Hijjah, the person in a city under COVID-19 lockdown, he's able to travel to another city for Eid Salah, but cannot take his family. Is it more reward for that person to travel with family's consent than praying at home?
Very difficult question. First of all, let's just see, is it compulsory upon you to travel to the other city? It is not. It is not compulsory to travel to the other city to make the Eid prayer. So if it's not compulsory. Now, if you want to travel, the best thing, of course, to take your family into that there. But what is the reason we can't go there? Can't take his family? If this Salat al-Eid, take your family. Why don't you take your family? So if you take them in the car, bring another bigger car, rent it. This is Eid. You want to make them, happy. I don't think the children like to be in the house. The last Eid we have done, he was in the house. Yes, I made my Eid special because my neighbor, Jazakallah khairan, he's a non-Muslim. Okay? And may Allah give him hidayah, inshallah. But he make my Eid special because he took me in his Hummer car and he took me to, with my family and all of that. So we had a very nice sort of day. But not everybody can get that. Everybody was dull and bored and, they don't want to go out, the children. So it is good to take the children, akhi. This is what the Prophet ﷺ, he told Atiyah, the hadith. أمرنا أن نخرج في صلاة العيد العواتق والحيض ذوات الخدور والمخبأة. These women, we never heard of them. Women who's hidden, never come out, and the one who's even menstruating. Even the menstruating women. يشهدن دعوة الخير ويعتزلن الصلاة أو يعتزلن المصلى. That is, they witness the gathering of the khair, but they avoid the musalla. The salah here, the يعتزلن الصلاة means musalla. That means the salah itself. It doesn't mean that's the only hadith that Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen depends upon regarding that women who are on their menses not to come to the masjid. In the musalla al-Eid is not really in a masjid, it's outside. And we don't have really a limitation for it. It depends upon how many people. So it could be this park, but more people turned up. It could be the other park as well. It could be to the streets. So we're going to put the women here. Excuse me, to move out because it became musalla. Let's move out. So I would say that this is the fatwa, which is, I would say that the shuyukh or the other shuyukh is more correct to say that the women on their menses is allowed to come to the masjid. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam.